All right, so this is snow in the south. It's Wednesday, January 29th. It's about 2 in the morning. We're getting a wintry mix. It's mainly sleet right now. See the icicles up here. Something you don't see often around here in Somerton. But this is it so far. This is a view through our front door on the front porch. Got some snow coming down in here. Got some cars going by very slowly. Not too many people out on the road tonight. Haven't seen many cars pass by the house at all. Snow in the south. Wow. Don't eat the yellow snow. Somebody riding a four-wheeler going by the house. Wow. There is a ton of ice on the road, y'all. There is no traffic on this highway, y'all. There's nobody behind me, nobody in front of me. The only vehicle we have seen on the road has been a four-wheeler. Looks like an old truck couldn't make it. Going down Main Street. I don't know if y'all just saw that that mule ride by. Okay, those people out here out front of the fire station making snowballs. They're making a snowman in front of the fire station. Those people out here out front of the fire station making snowballs. They're making a snowman in front of the fire station. Down one of these side streets here. There's probably people walking in the snow. Somebody walking down the road. Looks like we got us a UTV out here. They loaded up, they're about to go ride around town. Let's hit it. Here we go.